Agnes Christina, 26 years old. Mainly I've been doing writing, directing and producing. Writing both theater script and also children's storybook. In this Director's Lab program, it is derived from Serat Centini. It's an encyclopedia of Javanese culture. It's an old manuscript lah. It consists of 12 volumes, so it's definitely a very thick book. So far, I've been doing episodic performances in Indonesia. I went around temples and do the episodic performances. It's quite interesting in a way because then you get to enjoy temple as not just a temple. It's a new way of enjoying a temple by doing a performance there. Yeah, but since I've been doing that for quite a number of times already, so I'm planning to stop the episodic performance and just focus more on my final performance because I think now is the right time to really focus on final performance, even though my final performance is only March next year. Which one nicer, like this or like this? Because like this kan macam gini ya.
Can also.
The challenges throughout this whole journey, some people consider it sacred. That's the first barrier actually, because when you say something sacred, then not so many people really read this book, and that's why I don't really like the way people treat a book as sacred, because that's the end of the life of the book. How you treat this book, how you respect this book. Sometimes there are unwritten rules, especially when you talk about traditional stuff. So the first challenge is to really understand what is this traditional stuff. And I'm not Javanese, and the Javanese tend to be a bit guarded when they talk about their culture to someone that is not from the clan. Yeah, that's the first barrier. But luckily, there are people that are open enough, so they willingly share their stories to me. And by living in Jogja now, it really helps because it's like almost every day you experience this Serat Centini book because it's an encyclopedia of life. Like all the life skills there, actually you get to experience it in real life. But maybe if you are so antisocial, then you have to read this book lah. Because this is Javanese, when I bring it to Singapore, how to make it, not to make it relevant, but how to make people can relate to the story. Because not many people in Singapore are Javanese. And the Javanese themselves don't really know about this book. They don't really read it. So that's another challenge. I kind of expect that my final performance will be quite a long performance, not only 1 hour, but certainly I want it to be engaging. And I want people to really relate to it. Because if I can be interested in this book, why other people cannot be interested in this book and in the stories? So I have to convince them, and that's my homework. Yeah.
Ma, aku dapat program itu tuh yang subscription 18 bulan, jadi aku mau ke Solo sama Jogja buat penelitian. Nggak usah ke Jogja. Ngapain? Ntar ketemu si itu lagi. Ya udah ke Solo, ketemu Pak Prapto. Ya udah, sama bapak itu aja. Dia Cina kan?
For me, Director's Lab, a very rare opportunity actually. It's really a luxury for us because we get these 18 months, we get these mentors. They really inspire us in one way or another, and they really push us. I think I really break from my comfort zone. Usually, I just do a show because of, I'm interested in this story. But for now, I really have to dig inside the book and inside of me. Then, after I find what I'm digging. Then, okay, how to present it? That's another thing. So it's really a lot of hard work, but it's really a luxury for me. Yeah.